Guys, concerning BITS Pilani Dubai campus admission for 2021, already those guys must have been getting the message from BITS Dubai campus also, who have already applied for BITSET, who have already appeared for BITSET 2021. And now today in newspaper, concerning admission for the BITS Pilani Dubai campus has been advertised in different newspapers also. So and uh, uh, it is containing all the branches of engineering, in fact, like BE biotechnology, BE chemical engineering, BE civil engineering, BE computer science engineering, BE electrical and electronics engineering, BE electronics and communication engineering, BE mechanical engineering, and apart from all that, master degree also they are having, like ME design engineering, ME software system, in which computer science graduates, BE computer science engineering graduates, they can apply. ME software system also, for I told for ME software system, for microelectronics ME one can do, particularly those graduates who have completed their Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering. They can apply for this. For electrical engineering graduates, ME electricals with a specialization in power electronics and devices, that is also there. Those candidates who have interest in education sector, like a lecturer in engineering colleges, they can complete the PhD also from here, because a PhD in engineering and allied discipline is also there. And even for those candidates, those aspirants who are interested for the management side, they can take admission in Master of Business Administration also, MBA. uh, and a very attractive merit based scholarship up to 75% of the expenditure is also there, and your expenditure includes your tuition fee, your hostel charges, your mess charge, and others, books and everything. So that 75% of the scholarship you will be getting from there, if you will be getting admission over there. And apart from all that, 7.5 months industrial internship also you will be getting during the time of a study period of BE. Excellent, it has got excellent alumni placement record also in 3000 plus global companies. And those guys who have already completed their BE or ME from BITS Dubai campus, in fact, they they give their support to their juniors also, who will be passing out from BITS Dubai campus. So it's a good opportunity for those candidates who have an intention to take graduation in engineering from abroad. If you are interested for abroad BE or BTech, you can opt this option also. So and a very easy admission process is also there. No admission test is required. If you are having good marks in your 12th grade, your merit list will be formed on the basis of that only, and you will be getting BE admission based on your grade 12 board, irrespective of the fact where from which board you are doing your you have completed your 12th, in fact, either of CBSE or ICSE or state boards, no matter for that, anybody can apply for that. And apart from all that, classes will commence from 5th September. So before that, it is you have to take the admission. One more thing, one more vital information is that hostel facility and visa facility will be provided by the institute only. It means all the arrangements, you will be getting all the arrangements from the institute side. And if you are interested, you can apply online at admission.beats-dubai.ac.ae. Email ID is admission@dubai.beats.pilani.ac.in. And so far as WhatsApp number of the Dubai is concerned, it is 9714275370, and one more WhatsApp number is there, 9714275371. India's WhatsApp number is since +91 is India's code, your WhatsApp number will be 9294941919. You can apply on that. So if you are planning for your abroad admission, you can apply on this email ID, and admission website also I've given you the website also, so you can go through that. So best of luck for your future plan. Thank you very much. Bye bye. If you are liking my video, please subscribe it, share it and like it. And if you have already subscribed, I am thankful to you. Please share it and like it, so that others also must be benefited and I can update you with the latest information. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.